And you claim he's your best friend? He let me film our interview, so just so you know.
Doing your right now?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Oh, am I live?
You're not live, but you're definitely in the middle of it.
I fuck with it. Well, fuck, kill it, brother. You know.
Yeah. All right.
It
Well,
ain't easy.
nah,
It's a tough one to power through. I'm not gonna lie.
nah, brother. I'm the one holding this conversation alive. I'll tell you that much. All right. Well.
God bless her heart, though.
Yeah. No.
All right, I'll
She's
talk
a
to you in a bit. I'm
she's
gonna
a
try and grab
sweetheart.
some shit on you. I will. All right, love you.
I will
Talk
talk.
to you.
Love you. All right. Peace. You think he's your best friend?
No.
Yeah. Yeah. It's evident. It's clear.
I don't like him anyways.
Where do we go from here?
Nowhere.
Yeah. I'm glad you like the cookie.
I don't, but I'm really hungry.